Not gonna lie, this 3-tiered water bottle holder is not just functional or practical, but also will look great in your home. Let's get into it. So please do stick to the end of this video because I do have a time-lapse video of myself assembling it. You'll see that it took me probably no more than 20 minutes to do. Very easy. All the instructions were there. Each piece comes with a bag as numbered, very easy to follow. So you'll see here that it's 3-tiered. It's sturdy yet lightweight, and you can hold all your empty water bottles, but also your full ones as well. And the decor of it, the finish of it looks great. I think it will look good in your home. You can use it for decoration. You can use it for practical purposes, whatever. So it's got the surface up here, which again adds to the practicality of it. And I really love this thing, and this has been my honest opinion.